electrician is a skilled professional who specializes in electrical systems. They play a crucial role in ensuring the safety and functionality of our homes, businesses, and infrastructure. Electricians are trained to install, maintain, and repair electrical wiring, fixtures, and equipment. They work with a wide range of systems, including power distribution, lighting, heating, and cooling. When new buildings are constructed, electricians are responsible for designing and installing the electrical systems that will power them. This involves planning the placement of outlets, switches, and circuit breakers to meet building codes and accommodate the needs of the occupants. Maintenance is another important aspect of an electrician's job. They regularly inspect electrical equipment to identify any potential issues or hazards. By conducting routine inspections and performing necessary repairs or upgrades, electricians help prevent electrical malfunctions that could lead to fires or other dangerous situations. In addition to their technical skills, electricians must also possess knowledge of safety protocols and regulations governing their profession. They must be able to interpret blueprints and follow wiring diagrams accurately. Electricians work in various settings, from residential homes to commercial buildings to industrial facilities. They often collaborate with other tradespeople such as construction workers or HVAC technicians. Some electricians choose to specialize in specific areas such as renewable energy systems or home automation. Overall, electricians play a vital role in keeping our modern world powered safely and efficiently. Their expertise ensures that we have reliable electricity for our everyday lives while minimizing risks